Good evening. These are the new cable stops that I sell. They fit onto your carburetor, onto the carb lever, replacing the current cable stop you've got. And they basically tidy up the cable management. So basically you undo the little circlip here, replace your carb stop lever with this one, pop the little circlip on the top, feed your cable in through the cable hole in the center, and then using the Allen key that will be supplied for you, tighten up the cable stop, and your cable can't come out and it can't fall out the bottom. So basically it takes away this little brass nipple that everyone has here and just makes it a little bit easier to manage your cables at the end of your throttle. So you can move this up and down if you want a little bit of extra play on your throttle, or if you've got too much, take up the slack. If you want one, jump on the website.